Whistling is not a sexual thing. Ano, kagaya ko, puta na ba? Wala
Sir,
nang
for you, it
hinto,
might
kundi
not be
magtanong.
sexual, but to others it might. So the world does not revolve around your definition.
I do not presume that you are the one. It belongs to the I may look at you, but I would.
Anyway, sir, let's move
I
on
would
to the next
would
question.
look at that woman there. It's very busy.
Sir, going naman towards to the issue of journalist killings, I have to bring this up again because I just want to clarify something. Sir, earlier you said that there are honest journalists and there are corrupt journalists. So under your administration, will there be different policies for corrupt?
You want me to go into a contradiction? No, I'm not into a
I'm asking
contradiction.
you.
I made
let me
the
finish my question first.
differentiation right at the start. Right at the start.
Exactly, sir. That's why I'm asking. I'm wondering if you're differentiating means that you will have different policies for corrupt and honest journalists. And if there are two different policies, how would you know a corrupt journalist from an honest journalist after the fact that they have died?
It does not behoove upon me to distinguish between an honest and a corrupt journalist. Sa inyo yan, hindi sa akin. Malaman ko na lang yan, yung pinatay ka na, tapos ang hawak-hawak mo siya pati kunting pera. Maraming journalist na sa drugs, ha? Hindi mo ba alam yan? Mabuti ang alam mo. Hindi ko problema to distinguish between Carol Argelies, a dedicated journalist for so long, and mababait silang lahat dito. Wala akong maituro. Let's go outside. Malaman mo yung mga journalist na tarantado? Alam mo bakit? At the end of the day, they are there drinking. Walang ginawa yung kundi mag-inom. A lot of them. They go drinking. Tapos pasok ng mga bar, maghanap ng patron. Pwede mo bang sagutin itong iniinom namin? Plenty. Hindi naman niya sabihin na nagbigay ako dahil because of humanitarian reasons. It does not form part of the of your journalist or my being in public office.
From the Inquirer, Tara Quismundo.
Hi, good evening.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Good evening, sir. Sir, bae ako, sir. Sir, you said kanina...
Lalaki kasi naghawak eh.
Sir.
Hindi naman nakatingin.
Magandang gabi, sir. Sir, you said kanina na you seem to have this aversion to attention, to public attention in general, and you are discouraging us now to cover you. And you said that you will even conduct your governance sub rosa, sir. So how do we then protect transparency? And I mean, there have been concerns about you winning the presidency because there have been questions about not cheating, but martial rule, etc. So how do we then protect democracy without journalism?
That is your problem. You're the one who threatened me that you will boycott.
So it wasn't us who boycotted you. It was just a call of one organization. It wasn't us who...
I was also just answering the question.
Yeah,
Because pag sinabi nilang mag-boycott yung mga, then fine, you go. Walang problema sa akin. If you want to stay, fine. Hindi ko naman sinasabi. Sinabi ko lang kayong umalis na kayo at huwag na kayong bumalik. Pero kung bumalik ka dito to do a story, this is a free country. Yun lang ang yung sagot ko kasi ayaw ko yung tinatakot ako ng ganon. Kasi sinasabi ko nga noon pa right at start ng campaign, I will not die.
Okay.
If I do not become the president.
So what is the guarantee then that this administration will show respect to legitimate journalism?
I have showed respect for all of you. I was just retorting to a threat na ayaw na ninyong ang mga journal ayaw na mag-cover sa akin. Fine. I cannot force you to do what you do not want to do.
Okay. Sir, just one other follow-up on the issue that she raised. Sir, because the jokes, and you have said before that sometimes, not to take you too seriously, and you liberally banter with reporters, you make jokes, some are suggestive. So what can the women of this country expect from your administration as well?
Women?
Yes. Your policy on the rights of women.
Well, what seems to be the problem with me? Why did you bring it up?
No, because there was an issue that yesterday, what happened after the press conference, sir, with the catcalling that invited heavy criticism online. That's just the reason why I am asking it,
Anong
sir.
sinabi ko about women?
Sir, yung incident nga lang din po with Maris. Yeah. The whistling that you clarified earlier, that it was taken to be suggestive. Of course, the people have different interpretations.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
Because if you do that, you're especially if I whistle in public, you are speculating whether you are the one. Now it needs to be ikajol. Ikajoling them. Maria, ang ganda mo. There has to be something like really inviting the sexual undertones. Pero kung mag-whistling lang ako, that is that kind of thing is intruding into constitutional grounds. Freedom of expression. If you are a beautiful woman at sabihin mo whistling is directed at a woman, and when I say, what am I doing? I am suggesting sexual intercourse. Would you think that would be the meaning? Or would you want that I'd like to fondle you? I'm expressing something. You overextend the dimensions of kasi pag marami kayo, magsabi ako ngayon, no, o sino tatamaan ko? Ako tanongin mo, I'm whistling at Ignacio. Why? Because we were friends. Oh. Pumayat ka na, mataba ka noon, ngayon nag-slim ka. I can do that because we are friends. More than friends, actually. Oh.
We call on Mario Dumawal,
Elaborate, serious friends.
ABS-CBN.
Okay.
Muna,
Sige,
Mario
Christian. Go ahead. Mr. President, light lang ako. I'm glad to meet you. Bumalik ako sa Davao to cover the Thanksgiving concert. Ang tanong ko lang po, bakit lapit sa puso niyo si Freddy Aguilar at bakit masyadong inspired kayo sa ipaglalaban ko?
You know,
Was there a particular point in your life na
yes.
malaki yung hugot niyo doon sa kanta niya?
Yes. That guy is a nationalist. His love of country shows the way he uses the song in his messaging. It's always about corruption and what ails this country, the social injustice. And when I invited him to sing for us many years ago, I was a young mayor then. I became mayor.
I think as
1943.
vice mayor, no?
Bumilib ako sa kanya and I asked him to just stay behind, sabi ko, and let's just talk, have coffee. But we ended up drinking until the wee hours of the morning. But we talked a lot about what is this country? What seems to be wrong? From what I've gathered, really, from the talks I had with him several times, he's a singer with a social conscience. And look at the messages that's the new one is yung Ipaglaban Kita. That is an old song. He just changed the lyrics actually.
Bakit yung naging favorite song niyo yun? Ang kwento sa akin ni Ka Freddy, favorite song niyo yun from 1980s pa.
Ay ang kanyang favorite song ko sa kanya, Anak. Kasi nung narinig ko yan, nagtino na ako ng konti. Alam mo, 7 years ako sa high school. Baka 7 years rin ako sa college, naloko na. So I tried to just, and it would give you, hindi naman melancholia, but it's something of remembering a childhood and the sacrifices of the parents. I'm a stickler for, hindi mo lang ninyo alam, but I'm stickler for values actually. Ganun lang ako magsalita, but kayo lang naman nagbaga mga taga Maynila, ang taga Davao, alam nila yan. Kuha nila. Kaya sabi ko, when you are in doubt, kasi I am now joking. Of course, I'm joking. When I said that after taking my oath of office, I'll deliver a 5-minute address, it's preposterous. If it borders to credulity and sabi ko, tanungin mo ask the fellow on your side from Davao, what is he up to? Is he joking or is he telling the truth?
Last question, Mayor. Ano ang special number nyo sa Thanksgiving concert?
Wala. I do not sing. I'm not a singer. I do not dance because sabihin ng mga taga-bay nila, women's abuse yan. Maybe I'll just deliver a few words like or sing one song. Ikaw ang dahilan sa lahat ng katarad. I'm really fond of joking actually. I can cut it right in the middle. You have to hindi nga sila kahit yung mga taga Maynila ng Himagod and they are simply outraged. Ay, pasensya kayo. I said, if you do not like me, so be it. I do not like you also. If there's mga kolumnista, if you keep on, well, I'll answer you one of these days. Just give me enough time also to make my own. Then I'll tell you what's wrong with you also.
Christian Esguerra of ANC.
Sir, good evening. Sir, during the last press conference, you served warning to the Supreme Court not to...
No, excuse me. I did not. I meant the judiciary.
Judiciary.
Not the Supreme
Sige,
Court
sir.
because...
So regarding the TROs, parang how do you guard yourself against the possibility that you would be absorbed in your own power? Kasi parang, di ba, you have this system of checks and balances, but you said during that press conference, once you vetted a particular project, it means there's no corruption already. So no need for them to...
Yes.
So, yun nga, sir, how do you guard yourself against the possibility that you're abusing yourself?
Many a project of this country has been delayed with the enormous challenge of TROs. Alam ko maraming TROs. Paski dito, sa amin alam mo, yung losing bidder, and he thinks that there's something which he can harp on to it's always na kasali na lang ako o hati na lang tayo dyan. Parang ganon to pressure. It's the name of the game is pressure actually. Na pag natalo ako, hati na lang tayo. O kaya bayaran mo ako para ikaw muna. Totoo yan Yung losing bidder magsabi, bayaran mo ako. Give me something so that I will withdraw my opposition. Gano'n yan. You ask yan. I suggest that you go to the mga nagko-contract ng project.
Sir, I'm aware of that. Pero ang point ko lang dito, you have this system of checks and balances in the government. But so far, you're sounding as though parang you have this full control of parang may aura of omniscience na Di ba? Parang you don't want to be checked by the other
that's what I check.
branches.
I said, do not go into this mess of being paid and issuing the TRO. It's business actually. I am looking at the other side of the coin, the wrong side. I cannot go after the righteous path. And as a lawyer and somebody who has maybe the grasp of it when I become, I can always ask. Wala kang makinarya, and if you win, ipapasa mo lang, ang kapital mo, laway lang. Those are the things that they do. Negosyo. O sige, mag-withdraw ako, maghingi ka. Tapos yun, anong makinarya mo? Mayroon kang isang traktor, 2 pala. So, yung mga ganon, what I'd be going after is not really yung tama. Because you need not really have the checks and balances kung tama lang that. You are there to put a stop to this nefarious activity of delaying projects just because you lost the bidding. And there are a lot of ways doing it and getting money out of it. That's what I'm after. Oh.
Sir, finally, kanina former